Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare linear versus nonlinear circuits. We'll explore the fundamental principles that distinguish these two essential categories of electronic systems. Linear circuits are characterized by their predictable, proportional responses, while nonlinear circuits introduce more complex, often unpredictable behaviors. We'll delve into how these characteristics impact signal processing and overall circuit performance, providing a clear understanding of their unique properties and applications in various electronic devices. Let's get started. Linear circuits are the backbone of many electronic systems, primarily because they adhere to two key principles: superposition and homogeneity. This means if you double the input voltage, you'll double the output current, assuming all other factors remain constant. Components like resistors, capacitors, and inductors behave linearly over a wide range of operation, ensuring a predictable, undistorted signal. For instance, a 10-ohm resistor will always drop 10 volts for every 1 ampere of current, maintaining a consistent relationship. In contrast, nonlinear circuits introduce a fascinating complexity. They do not follow the simple rules of superposition or homogeneity, meaning their output isn't just a scaled version of the input. Components such as diodes, transistors, and even operational amplifiers, when pushed beyond their linear operating regions, exhibit nonlinear behavior. This can lead to significant waveform distortion, but also enables crucial functions like rectification, amplification, and frequency mixing. For example, a diode only conducts current in one direction, a distinctly nonlinear characteristic. The applications of these circuit types are vast and distinct. Linear circuits excel in tasks requiring faithful signal reproduction, such as audio amplifiers or precise filters, where maintaining signal integrity is paramount. Nonlinear circuits, however, are indispensable for functions like radio frequency mixing, digital switching, and power conversion, where altering or generating new signal characteristics is the goal. For instance, a radio receiver uses nonlinear circuits to downconvert a high-frequency signal to an audible range, a task impossible with purely linear components.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.